In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate OneDrive with Notion. By the end, you'll have a OneDrive file embedded directly inside a Notion page so your content is easy to view and share in one place. Start in Notion, open the workspace, and head to the left sidebar. Under the private section, create a new page. When the page opens, click into the blank canvas so your cursor is active. This gives you a clean spot to place the embed. Now type /, then the word embed. From the command menu that appears, choose Embed. You'll see a field where you can paste a link. Leave that open for a moment while we grab the correct link from OneDrive. Switch over to OneDrive in your browser and go to My Files. Browse or scroll to find the file you want to connect to Notion. This can be a document, spreadsheet, presentation, or another supported file. Select the item and click Share. In the sharing window, open the settings to control who can access the file through the link. Choose Can Edit if you want collaborators with access to be able to make changes in OneDrive. If you only want people to view it in Notion, you can set the permission to view only. Confirm the permission choice, then click Apply to save it. Next, select Copy Link to place the shareable URL on your clipboard. Go back to Notion, click in the Embed field, and paste the link you just copied. Then click Embed Link. Notion will load a preview of your OneDrive file right on the page. Give it a moment. Large files may take a bit longer to render. Once it appears, you can click and drag the edges to resize the embed so it fits the layout of your page. If the preview doesn't load, it usually means the OneDrive link is restricted. Return to OneDrive's sharing settings and make sure the link allows the right audience to view or edit depending on your needs. Also note that some organizations restrict external sharing. In that case, viewers may need to be signed into the same account to see the content. That's it. You created a new Notion page, added an embed block, generated the correct OneDrive share link with the right permissions, and pasted it into Notion to display the file. This simple integration keeps your documents accessible without constant downloading or re-uploading, and any updates you make in OneDrive will be reflected through the embedded view in Notion. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined OneDrive to Notion workflow.